so I feel like I start off so many vlogs sitting in the car or driving, which is why I'm like looking ahead. But I'm actually on the way right now to go pick up the kids from my mom, and then we're heading like a couple hours north of us to go check out a really pretty lake at a state park. It's supposed to be like really, really blue. So I thought that would be really cool, be like a little trip to the beach. They have a little beach there. So yeah, I've never been there before. A friend of ours is going with us. She's never been there. She actually just moved here from Alaska like almost a year ago. So that is where me and the kids are going. Robert's at work, so it's just kind of us girls and all of our kids. So this should be fun. Hopefully the kids have a lot of fun, and I'm excited to see what it looks like. So I'll see you guys when we get there. We found it. Landon. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it? That's cool, isn't it? There's a little, we get to go to the beach again. Landon's sitting over there eating some grapes. And Michael is in the water. Right there. This is like nice, relaxing. It's really cool out here actually. I feel like in every video I have a hat on. There's the beach. And then back behind me is like really shaded, and I think there's a cave back there. Are you having fun today? Do what? You always look like you're just not loving it. I think you are. You're just shy. Why don't you finish eating, baby? You're so cute. So this water reminds you of Fort Lauderdale, right?
Uh-huh.
Kinda, like the color of it.
I'm gonna swim.
Okay, go. Go.
Alligators with us here.
She's getting really, really good. I'm only letting her not wear her puddle bundle right now because it's literally like 1 or 2 feet deep. Like most of this whole half of this lake is. I'm not usually a fan of swimming in lakes, but I really don't mind this one. It reminds me of like the ocean. Plain saltwater or freshwater. I think the dude back there had fun. Hey guys, so it is the next morning. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. Did you guys have fun yesterday? I don't know where Landon's at. Oh, there you are. You guys had fun? They really had a lot of fun. It was a really pretty lake. If you're wondering, we traveled to Kentucky, which, yes, is another state, to go there, and it was called Pennyrile. I don't think I told you guys that, but it's a state park. So it's really pretty. So, yeah, Elizabeth talked me into cooking some sausage and eggs. And the boys already ate, so I guess it's just going to be me and her eating. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's video. I just did a little bit of shooting. I always film on my phone, and I need a new one because this one doesn't have a lot of space on it, so that's why my vlogs aren't as long. But I plan on getting a new phone, hopefully like this week, and then maybe my videos could be a lot longer. I'm always very conservative with the amount of time that I'm filming. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.